Question says, prove the following. That's 1 upon 1 plus tan squared phi into 1 plus 1 upon cot squared phi is equal to 1 upon sine squared phi minus sine raised to 4 phi. This is the to prove that. To prove that. Now children, first what we can do is we can take the left hand side and simplify. That's bringing the tan squared over here. We get tan squared phi plus 1 upon tan squared phi into cot squared phi plus 1 upon cot squared phi. Now that's just LCM children, so there's no need to add a reason for it. But in the next step we are going to use the identity. That's 1 plus tan squared x is equal to sec squared x. 1 plus cot squared x is equal to cosec squared x. So children, see to that you write down the identity. It has a mark. You should specify the original identity that you're going to use. So this becomes sec squared phi upon tan squared phi into, this will become cot squared phi and this will become cosec squared phi. Well children, tan squared into cot squared is 1 because reciprocal of tan squared is cot squared. So whenever we multiply them, we're going to get 1. Sec squared reciprocal is cos squared and cosec squared reciprocal is sine squared phi. Now children, this becomes sine squared, we'll leave it as it is, and cos squared we'll change it to 1 minus sine squared. Sine squared we'll leave it as it is, cos squared will change to 1 minus sine squared phi, and that's what we need to understand from here. So that gives us children 1 upon sine squared phi minus sine raised to 4 phi, which is the required right hand side, hence proved. Also children, over here we need to specify, since sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1, because the original identity we are using over here children is 1 minus sine squared equal to cos squared. So 1 minus sine squared is cos squared. That's what we are using over here. So write in the original identity. So that's how we will get the full 4 marks. So children, for a sum like this, for 4 marks, this identity will give you, this identity and this step will give you 2 marks. This step will give you 1 mark and this step will give you 1 mark with the reason for it. Let's see the next question.